Welcome back to the Legal Palette, where we explain the legal topics in fun and easy way.
In our new series called Legal Myths Debunked, we clear up legal misconceptions.
Can you sue someone for anything? Let's say your friend ate the last slice of pizza, or your neighbor's dog barked all night. Can you take them to court? Well, the short answer is no, but let's break it down.
Suing someone means filing a lawsuit against them in a court of law. But courts aren't free-for-all complaint counters. They're institutions designed to resolve disputes based on legal principles. To sue someone, you need a valid legal reason, called a cause of action. A cause of action refers to the specific legal grounds that justify your lawsuit. For example, if someone breaches a contract, defames you, or harms you due to negligence, these could form valid causes of action. Without it, your case can be dismissed right away as frivolous.
To file a lawsuit, you need to meet certain basic requirements. 1. A legal cause of action. This means you must have a valid legal reason to sue. For example, breach of contract, negligence, or defamation. A court won't entertain lawsuits based on trivial annoyances or personal grudges. 2. Proof of harm or damage. This is key. You need to show that the other person's actions caused you real harm. This could be physical injuries, financial losses, or damage to your reputation. Without evidence, your case won't go far. 3. Jurisdiction. The case must fall under the court's authority. If you file in the wrong court or location, your case might get dismissed right away.
Now, what are some common grounds on which you can sue someone in India? Let's dive into the categories. 1. Breach of contract. This happens when one party fails to fulfill their obligations as agreed in a contract. Contracts can be written, oral, or even implied. Example, if you hired someone to paint your house and they didn't show up, that could be a breach of contract. 2. Torts. A tort is a civil wrong that causes harm to someone, whether intentionally or negligently. Common torts include negligence, defamation, and nuisance. 3. Violation of fundamental rights. Under the Constitution of India, every citizen has fundamental rights. If the government or its agencies violate these rights, you can approach the courts. 4. Criminal offences. Although criminal cases are typically prosecuted by the state, victims can also file civil suits for compensation. For example, in cases of assault or theft, the victim can claim damages.
Now, let's explore some real-life examples from Indian case law where people successfully sued others on valid grounds. Municipal Corporation of Delhi vs. Subhagwanti. This case involved the collapse of the Chandni Chowk clock tower, which resulted in multiple fatalities. The court held the municipal corporation liable for negligence, as the structure was not maintained properly. Negligence arises when someone has a duty of care towards you but fails to fulfill it, causing harm.
Maneka Gandhi vs. Union of India. When Maneka Gandhi's passport was impounded, she filed a writ petition claiming that her fundamental rights under Article 21 were violated. The Supreme Court ruled in her favor, expanding the interpretation of the right to life and personal liberty.
Now, what about people who file frivolous or malicious lawsuits just to harass others? Courts take such cases seriously and can impose penalties on the complainant.
So, what's the takeaway here? 1. Yes, you can technically file a lawsuit for almost anything. But the court will only take it seriously if you have a valid legal claim and sufficient proof. 2. Frivolous lawsuits don't just waste time, they can backfire on you. Courts may impose fines or even hold you in contempt for abusing the legal system. 3. The justice system is designed to address genuine grievances, not petty arguments or exaggerated claims. So, think twice before yelling, "I'll sue you."
Do you have more legal myths you'd like us to debunk? Drop them in the comments below. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed about your rights.